Okay, right now I'm going to show you how to make a USB drive using Toshiba recovery tools. Okay, all you have to do is just type recovery in the search bar. Let me show you. Okay, hold on. Okay, just go to a search and type recovery. Okay, and you're gonna see right here it says recovery. You just go in there and it's gonna show. Okay, so you have to forget about this. This is nothing. Okay, this is an old computer. So you go right here and you go to USB flash and you're gonna see it right here. Okay, that's all you have to do. Let me tell you, it takes a long time, and whatever it is in your USB flash is going to be removed. So make sure it's nothing there that you need, because it's going to be gone. Okay, so now all you have to do is just press create, and it's going to start doing it. Okay, it's going to tell you this. Just say okay. It's going to tell you everything is going to be removed. Okay, so you say okay, and that's it. Recovery will be created now. It's right there. See, now it changed. Now it says please wait right here. So this will take a long time, but it's good to do it because it's faster. You can do a recovery in your computer a lot faster than if you use this. And after you do this, I'm going to show you another way so you can restore your system without doing all this. So I'm going to let this go for now, and I'll come back when it's almost done. Okay, so I'll be back. By the way, if you want to know how long it takes, here is the time. We start this exactly at 12:20. So you can see how long it takes. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, that's not a lot, but that's 10 minutes ago. So let's see. I'll be back. Huh? That is 20 minutes ago. Imagine that. So just get away. Be patient. So we start at 12:20 and it's 12:50, 30 minutes ago. And the reason that it's going slow is because this is a 2G wireless network, and that's why it's so slow. You see right here? So we just have to wait. Oh, damn. Finally finished just right now. I just want to, wow. Okay, just some time. Just a second. So that's how we create a USB drive that you can use to restore your system. Okay, this works in any computer, doesn't matter, it'll work. So now we're gonna install Windows, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, and then I'm gonna do other things. So let me get ready to make another video, and please subscribe, share my video, and I'll see you later. Okay, thank you.